So the buy-in was here, right? It came up, pulled back. You could look at shaving here. It came up, it pulled back. You could look at shaving here. It came up, kind of consolidated, pulled back, shed in here, came all the way down. And this is kind of where you have to decide if, if you started to feel the pinch, you could have did another 10%. Otherwise, you should just be hanging on. Slight, pulled back. I definitely wouldn't want to be sitting in here anymore. And then it's just going to continue to make the move. And then, of course, it just completely dumped at the very end. But that's why I tell you guys to be careful at the last end of the day, right? That's what they always love to do. So this is kind of the blueprint right here of what your yesterday should have looked like. So even though I had all these highs and lows and everything, if you look at this overall, this never, ever came back to VWAP, right?